Hello everyone. Today I will show you how you can use SUMIFS in your Excel sheet. SUMIFS helps you to get to know your desired result very quickly, and it will show you in exact details and the data you want to know. Let's see the formula. Well, write down equal SUMIFS in the tab. Then use your sum range. Means as I want to know the salary, so I will select the salary as a sum range. Then I will do comma. Then I will select my criteria first. So my first criteria is name. So here is the all the name of my employees. After that comma, and I want to write down the names here, so I will select the cell. After that comma, and criteria 2 will be their position. Now I will select their position. After that I will select the cell where I want to write down their position in this cell. So by this you can easily make the formula. After selecting all the cell, just close the bracket and press the enter. As I didn't write down anything either, so the salary is 0. So now I will write down the name of Jyoti and tap to go to the next cell, and now officer. Officer is her position. Now enter. Oh, what was the mistake? Oh, silly mistake. I was just missed the R. Now here is the result. See, salary offer is 10,000 and 30,000 equal total 40,000. Here is another name of Jyoti. It didn't pick because it was junior officer, her position. But I want the position name officer. So it will appear me the name Jyoti, who is a officer, and now I get her whole salary. By using this, you can easily collect your desired result. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for with us.